Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Blue color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, dark green color, light green color, pink color, rose pink color. A for alligator. A for alligator. B. B for basket. B for basket. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for doctor. D for doctor. E. E for earth. E for earth. F. F for fox. F for fox. G. G for coat. G for coat. H. H for horse. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. N. N for net. N for net. O. O for oil. O for oil. P. P for panda. P for panda. Q. Q for quokka. Q for quokka. R. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V. V for vase. V for vase. W. W for wall. W for wall. X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y. Y for yard. Y for yard. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Subscribe.